All right, what is going on, guys? So this is the RTX 4090, and the name is very close to the amount that I paid. Close to $2,000 for one component in a computer, right? But the thing is, there is a company that helped me pay for this, and that would be today's sponsor. Nobody. That's right, I paid this with my own hard-earned money. So if you want to watch every single ad on this video and all my other videos, and then again and again and again, that'd be fantastic. But without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this 4090. Now, my PC cannot handle this. All right, my PC, I skipped the 10,000 or the 1000 series, the 2000 series, the Super series, the 3000 series. Might honestly skip the 4000 series as well. This is the RX 470. MSI, by the way. Gotta stay faithful with my company. I game at 1080 and I can barely push 1440. We're basically rocking at 1080 high settings. So this is it's a big upgrade, right? And you might say, what consoles do you play on? Let me show you. No PS5, no Xbox Series X. This is the Nintendo Switch. And I'm playing games at 720, 6 FPS if I'm lucky. So this, I would say, is going to be a pretty nice upgrade. Honestly, I'm probably not going to keep this thing because, let's be honest, guys, $2,000 for one unit of your PC? Okay, anyway, let's get unboxing. If you're not familiar with the unboxing, we got to give credit where credit is due. And this was made in China. So shout out to China for making the product. Really do appreciate it. And now let's get this thing unboxed. I'm gonna be honest, guys. This product here, or I should say this brand, right? NVIDIA fans are similar to two other fans that I've discovered are very passionate about themselves and their products. And that would be Sonos, surprisingly, and Apple, right? If you are an Apple customer and you mention any other smartphone than an iPhone, they're gonna look at you weird. Same thing with Sonos, and I feel the same way with NVIDIA. I've always been AMD because I'm a person that values something called money, price to performance. Okay, Jesus Christ, this thing is heavy. Let's slide this thing on out. All right, so this is looking pretty good. Okay. Plastic. Thanks for killing the environment. Aren't you supposed to be, carbon neutral by 2030? All right, so inside the box here we have... Okay, yeah, this thing is massive. I always thought people online were over-exaggerating, but nah, this is ridiculous. Oh my God, this thing is heavy. Yeah, okay, yeah, I thought other people were being dramatic, but no, this is insane. Oh my God. If you aren't familiar with the GPU, nah, this is insane. This is insane. As a person who games at 1080, and I'm perfectly fine with throwing things at the lowest setting just so I can get some good FPS, this is insane. This is This is ridiculous. All right, let's take a quick smell. Smells like the woods. This thing is massive, bro. Oh my God. All right, let's put this here. Dude, does this even fit in my PC? I did the dimensions online. This thing barely fits. Oh my God. MSI. All right, what else did we get in the box? So we get this thing here. Not too familiar with this, right? Guys, I'm AMD. Like I said, we're value for money. We don't get nice things like this. So this is a gaming trio. Guessing this is to support this thing because it's so heavy. This is gonna break my PCI slot. And then we have a connector. This one smells pretty good. Yeah, there's no way my 650 power supply is gonna be able to handle this. and some paperwork. Nice. We have a switch here that is for silent or gaming. So I'm assuming if you want better boost, you want to switch us over to gaming. And then if we flip it on this side here, you can see this is a lot of metal, a lot of cooling. And then on the top here, we have HDMI. I believe this is 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, DisplayPort 1.4, and DisplayPort 1.4. I know some people are upset about not having DisplayPort 2.0, but I mean, I guess it is what it is. We're at the mercy of whatever the manufacturer wants us to have. But as you can see, this is the 4090. That is beautiful. I love MSI designs. Okay, so now let's do a quick comparison. Let me show you guys how this compares to my existing RX 470. Now, you guys might be wondering why I never have bought an NVIDIA card, and it's mainly because I said before, they're pretty pricey, right? And I understand in terms of the best performance that you get, NVIDIA is the way to go. Also for like content creation and stuff like that with the CUDA cores, it's really good to, God, this thing, listen, 470, we've been through a lot, but you gotta come out. Been through a lot, but you gotta let go. All right, this is my 470. This is a sexy card. I was so happy when I first got this. Oh my God, no backplate. Hello, AMD value. I don't need that metal on the back. So let's do a quick comparison. On the top here, we have our RX 470, or RTX 470. I'm sorry, the naming schemes for these companies are so annoying. And then this is my baby RX 470. Honestly, in terms of length, it's not that far off. But in terms of the width, it is like almost 3 times the size. Like, I don't think you guys can fathom this. This is insanity. I mean, thank God they kept the designs. I really love the fan design on MSI. That is beautiful. I wish they kept the red, but it is what it is if you're trying to have like some unique or trying to match with the rest of your build. This is insane. Wait, is this thing even overclock? I don't have a switch for overclocking or not. Like I said, guys, AMD, you're all about value. You don't need all the extra stuff. Jesus, this is insane. Holy cow, I'm still rocking DVI. Y'all see that? I got DVI. This is insanity. All right, let's install this thing. Power supply isn't on. Do I have RGB lights? Nope. I sure like a pop. No, it just clicks. No!